everything is so right. It's been so hard, but don't worry, we'll find. Love is so good, I can share it all.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. For real, welcome back to another video. So today y'all finna see me install my birthday hair with me. So excited. Your girl is officially 21. 21. Can you do something for that? Well, pretty much this year I really didn't know what color I wanted to do, because I was like, okay, I pretty much did all the colors, I think. Well, not really, but in my head I feel like I did all the colors. I was like, I did pink, I did burgundy, I did all of that. But I was like, I think I did blue, but it wasn't the blue that I wanted. It was more so like a dark blue. So I was like, why not try blue again, but in a longer length? So that's what y'all gonna see me doing here. As y'all can see, the smell was strong. Like, see, it hit me in my face like, oh wee. I pretty much bought this wig from AliExpress. This was like my first time purchasing a wig from AliExpress, and to be honest, I was kind of disappointed a little bit, you know, by the lace. This is the first time I ever bought a 13x4 lace where the lace is really small. Like, the look that I was going for, I couldn't even do the look that I was going for, so I had to really change it up. But the wig was a 32-inch, 200 density, and it was a 13x4. And I realized, like, nowadays you can't really buy a 13x4 because they don't really be 13x4. They be like a 13x4 with a T-part. So from now on, I said, okay, we're gonna start buying 13x6. See how little the lace is? Like, there's barely any space. Y'all see that? But anyways, I did tinted the lace and everything so it could like really match my skin, and it came out really good. And also, if you guys wanted to know how I dyed the wig, I did the water method, where basically you just boil hot water. Well, make sure it's not too hot, just hot enough. I'll say like microwave hot. And you know, you put the dye in there, and then you dip the hair. You keep dipping it until you get the color you want. Also, this is how much hair that came out after I was done plucking it, which wasn't that bad, to be honest, because the hair is 200 density. Honestly, I think I might have to stop wearing wigs soon, due to the fact that my locks are getting extremely long. Like, they are growing. Like, to put the wig on, it was a struggle. I was struggling like with braiding the locks down and everything. So yeah, but y'all should be expecting a lock video soon, real soon. I can't wait to show y'all like how long my locks are now. They're really pretty and healthy. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy these wigs as long as we can. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do like short hair. Like, I wanted to do another pixie cut. Like, there's so many short hairstyles that I still wanted to do, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it, because how all of this hair gonna fit in there? Like, it's not gonna fit. So y'all, I'm really not gonna do that much talking because the video is short, but you know, I'm just gonna let y'all watch and enjoy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe like always.
Shawty come sit on my lap, hey, they saying Tracy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap, hey. I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rest.
So what I'm showing is y'all how it looks when it's clear and when it's not clear.
And I never been embraced. And the money's hard to make. So I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the risk and forgot about that bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't get it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Backyard a little like the garden they eat it. Little toe bit him, spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down there. What they had didn't last. Down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby, down there, what they had didn't last. Damn baby.
So y'all, I really did end up changing the style. I ended up doing a side part with some curls and it came out cute. And I even end up burning myself too. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.